Hey, I'm Ian Wong. I do ICU and informatics here at Duke. And I wanted to share with you just how I keep my conferences aligned, one in critical care and one in AI. So I want to share you, here it is. This is just a simple Google Sheets. Access it whenever you want. The link is going to be down below. So this first tab here is all critical care websites. See both if it has a special title, when it starts and ends, where it is, and when the abstract might be due, if you happen to have that recorded. Because obviously this tends to be about 5 or 6 months in advance at the very least of when the actual conference happens. You just see it goes from red to green when you're saying when it hasn't passed yet. So has this deadline passed, for example, or it's still up in the future. Some of these things for me are big as in the Society for Critical Care Medicine. So that's one of my larger conferences among, for example, CHEST and ATS. On the other side, you also have options for looking at the CSAI informatics options. So for example, EMEA or the CIC, AAAI, you'd still also see, when the conferences start and end, where they are, again, and their deadlines and how this might propagate through and this year and eventually to the year afterwards. I hope this is helpful for you. This has been really useful for me to keep track of my life. If you ever want to help in terms of maintaining this, always happy to get more hands on board. And just let me know if you have any questions or things that I can improve. Is this helpful for you? Please let me know down below. So is the link to this webpage. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch. Take care. Bye now.